Achieve success by following these great affiliate marketing tips. If you already know about internet marketing and things like keywords and niche markets, then you're well on your way to becoming an affiliate marketer, and you just have to decide to take that next step. In this video, you will learn some of the tools and tactics that it takes to become a successful affiliate marketer. Be honest to your readers and disclose your affiliations. Readers know an affiliate ad when they see one, and they will appreciate your honesty. It'll make them feel better about supporting you by using your referral link. Furthermore, honesty is important in generating a loyal reader base that will continue to generate money in the future. To find a good affiliate marketing opportunity, you should look for great products. If the products or offers used do not meet satisfying quality standards, your marketing strategy will definitely not have a good effect on customers and reflect a bad image of your company. A good product will get you some attention from customers. If you sell a lot of different products, organize them, so customers can search one category at a time to find what they are looking for. A search box at the top is also a good idea, and it is even better if results can be further sorted by attributes, such as size and color. Sales have taken a whole new turn with the dawn of affiliate marketing. This allows you to sell without selling face to face. You will make a commission from each product sold by your affiliate link. This even allows you to sell when you are not even at home. Becoming a successful marketer should be your ultimate goal, but you should never branch out and attempt to do it on your own. Use videos like these to guide you through the areas that confuse you or those that you do not have mastered. Over time, you'll be able to turn this information into marketing gold. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.